Let's see how to add hyperlink in Illustrator. So first of all, you need to copy the hyperlink that you want to add to the file. Copy and directly paste here. You can enlarge the hyperlink to access it on the more area. Create a new shape on the hyperlink to hide it under the So now we will go to file and save as. Select the place you want to save and now save it as Adobe PDF and click on save. Save the PDF. Now open it with the Google Chrome, and now when you hover over it, it will give you a link you can open, and as I opened it, it opened in a new tab. Another way you can use it in any PDF viewer. You have to select the hand tool first and then hover on the hyperlink area to open the link. Now, click on the hyperlink and allow the software to open the link in a browser. Here it is. I hope it's helpful for you. Thanks for watching.